Section of Neurosurgery at King Abdulaziz Medical City, KAMC, and King Saud bin Abdulaziz University for Health Sciences, KSAU-HS. Western Region, in collaboration with the Saudi Association of Neurological Surgery, SANS, welcomes you to the 17th Annual SANS meeting on 4th through 6th March 2023 in Jeddah City, one of the most beautiful cities in Saudi Arabia. This year's meeting will be organized over 2 days with 8 sessions and more than 50 presentations covering the full spectrum of neurosurgical topics. To get started, let's explore the virtual platform. Kindly follow the steps for a quick and easy sign-in process. Open the link on the registration email sent to you, and it will direct you to the virtual conference user login portal. Kindly enter your email address and password on your received registration email. If you've forgotten your password, you may click on the Forgot Password button and receive an email to reset your password. If you've not registered yet, kindly click the button to register now. Once you've signed in, the window will direct you to the main lobby, and this will be your ideal starting point. You may edit your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the upper right corner and the notification bell icon beside the profile icon, which serves as the notification for the latest announcement of the virtual conference. You can switch between halls with just one click on the lobby or by clicking the tabs on your dashboard's upper side without any hassle or long walks. Auditorium. Here in the auditorium, you'll attend live sessions in webinar format. Please take note of the following upon attending a Click this Maximize icon to view in full screen, and make sure to join audio by computer by clicking the headphones icon. You may click the Q&A type box by clicking the Q&A icon to ask questions related to the ongoing session, and the moderator will assist you. Click the Leave Webinar button to leave the session. Agenda. You will find the agenda according to the hall. When you click the Join Session button, it will automatically take you to the live session. And down here is a button that you may add to your Google Calendar to pin on your schedule and keep you notified. And interventional therapies in this unique virtual exhibition hall. Even the booth looks realistic and includes documents, videos, individual branding, and contacts. When you click the booth, you may check their services provided in the description box. And you can add their documents or videos to your virtual bag and send it to your email. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. You'll also have the opportunity to interact with our industry partners by asking live questions by joining the Start Chat button. At the information desk, Speakers Lounge. This lounge is only for speakers and moderators. The Networking Lounge for live chat through group and private chat rooms with other participants. We sincerely hope that all attendees will benefit from the presented scientific material and from the discussion that is generated. We also hope that you enjoy the social aspects of the meeting and the opportunity to visit our beautiful city.